Okay, so rounding decimals. This is a skill that you use pretty much every day, so particularly with buying things. The important thing is to recognise where you round from. So in question 4 it says round each of the following to one decimal place. Let's have a look at 4a. So here we go, we've got 2 decimal places. So all you do here, and this is a pretty safe way of doing it, 1 decimal place, so first one, we need to round to 1 decimal place. So after that 1 decimal place, just draw a line, okay? Everything to the right of this line will be made redundant very soon. Redundant means no longer needed. But first we need to have a look at this digit, okay? The one that comes exactly after the line, okay? In this case it's a 2. Now, a 2 we round down for. Remember, 0 to 4 we round down, 5 to 9 we round up. So this number will be rounded to 14.8. Okay? In question 7, it says round each of the following to the specified number of decimal places. The specified number is in the bracket. Okay? So we're going to look at 7D, and we need to round this to 3 decimal places. So here we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. We put in our line. This digit here becomes our critical digit. It's a 7, so we have to round up. So in this case, we need to round up. So this becomes a 10, that becomes a 10. All of a sudden, our number changes to 30. Okay, now, even though it's changed to 30, okay, we still need to put in our 3 decimal places because the question asked us to round to 3 decimal places, in which case we need to show those 3 decimal places. Okay. In 9a, the question is round each of the following amounts to the nearest dollar. Okay. So if we're rounding something to the nearest dollar, that means there will be no decimal places. So where the decimal point is, we can put our line, and our critical digit becomes the 8, and 8 goes up. So that means we're going to round this number up to $13. So rounding is really simple as long as you put your line in, okay, at the point where you're rounding to, and the number immediately to the right of the line is your critical digit, and that decides whether you round up or down.